Tired of blurry self-timer photos and missing the perfect group shot? This video will show you how to use burst mode with the self-timer on your Nikon D3500. First, ensure your camera is powered on, then rotate the mode dial on the top of your camera to select your desired shooting mode. I recommend aperture priority or program mode for more control over your image. Next, press the info button on the back of your camera. This will bring up the shooting information display on the LCD screen. Navigate to the drive mode settings. Use the multi-selector buttons to highlight the current drive mode. This is usually indicated by a single frame icon. Press OK to enter the drive mode menu. Scroll through the options until you find the self-timer mode. It's indicated by clock icon. Select it and press OK. Now, navigate again to the continuous high burst mode, which is indicated by multiple frames. This will allow you to take multiple images with the self-timer. With the self-timer mode selected, press the menu button and scroll down until you see the custom setting menu and select it. From there, you will be able to adjust the timer delay and number of shots. Select number of shots to choose how many photos you want to be taken in burst mode, and select self-timer delay to set the delay time. Now press the shutter button to start the timer. The camera will focus, and then, after the set delay, we'll take the set number of photos in quick succession. This gives you the best chance of capturing the perfect expression. That's it. You've mastered using burst mode with the self-timer on your Nikon D3500. Now go out there and capture some amazing self-portraits and group shots. Subscribe for more Nikon D3500 tutorials.